Update 2 of my DIY laser engraver. As you can see, we are missing a couple parts here because they're over here because I finished the main frame of it. I just did out of pieces of wood. I guess this is 1 inch and this is 3/4 inch. Wow, that's really bright. Let me just lower that down a bit. We have the Y gantry on so far. We just have the, well, not all of the Y gantry, but the main parts of it. The 2 linear rods and the belt plate. I printed these parts on my Eclipse 3D in PETG, I believe. Yeah, that's PETG. I wanted to test out PETG. What I should have done here, as you can see, tolerances were a bit off and it actually cracked there, but it actually is still super strong and sturdy, so I don't think we'll have to worry about that. This main, I just put screws. I didn't do any wood glue. I probably should have, but put screws in each one of these here on the edges into these boards, and then put on these. The brackets were a bit overkill, but I just want to make sure this thing is super sturdy, and it is not going anywhere. This thing is like really sturdy. And the next part would be to take the X gantry. Wow, this is super professional. Take the X gantry and put it up. Nope. The X gantry up like that. I left just enough room for this. All these files, I'm probably not going to be posting the files for this. I have them, so if someone's building one of these, I don't know why you would be copying me, but if you want to build one of these, which I don't really know whether it will work or not, let me know and I might put the files up if you really want me to, but we're not at the stage yet where we have to start talking about that, since this is still a very early prototype. I just gotta put mount the Y motor on right here, and of course the belt going to the frame. And actually, the cool thing about this is I left enough clearance down here for the linear bearings to actually clear the wood. So what we can do, so this goes all the way over here, so it goes the entire length of the linear rods. So what that means is we actually have too much build area. So you notice it's a bit catty corners, not quite in the middle. That's because of these brackets here are in our way, but I definitely can't really move the brackets because they pretty much make the whole thing really sturdy, so I'm definitely not going to move them. So it's a pretty simple fix. I just, moved it over, which I'll still have the same amount of X room. It'll just be a bit shifted over, but it should still work just fine. You won't actually notice that once it's finished. So that's about it. As far as my surface, I don't want to use the heated bed. Over here I have the heated bed of the old Anit A8. I don't really want to use that because I want to keep that for some other project. I have this old piece of glass that I was using. I might use, oh my word, okay, I might use this piece of glass right here and yes, that's an old case of a MacBook. I have lots of junk down here. I might use this old piece of glass as the place. I don't think a laser will have any effect on the glass. I don't think it will be hot enough to cause any thermal problems with glass shattering or anything by really high heat hitting it quickly. I don't think a laser will be a problem on that, so I'll probably just use that. That's about it. I want to thank you guys for watching these updates. Next update should be pretty interesting because I will actually be able to put the motor on this, and then after that work on the X gantry. I'll probably do that in all one video. The next update will have the X gantry and the Y gantry both fully completed, minus the extruder obviously. Or I guess it's the laser mount, not the extruder mount, because this is not a 3D printer. So yeah, that's about it. I'm Josiah. Thanks for watching. Woo!